To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, this is Bhagyashree Gupta and a very warm welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. There is a lot of confusion among the masses about whether to get vaccinated after getting COVID-19 infection or not, and on various similar issues. In this regard, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has now accepted the recommendations suggested by the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 or NEGVAC. These recommendations have been based on the evolving situation of the COVID-19 pandemic and emerging global scientific evidence and experience, and the ministry has passed these recommendations to states and union territories for implementation. The recommendations ask to defer COVID-19 vaccination for 3 months in cases where individuals having lab test proven SARS-2 COVID-19 illness, SARS-2 COVID-19 patients who have been given anti-SARS-2 monoclonal antibodies or convalescent plasma should also defer it for 3 months after the hospital discharge. Also, people who got infected after the first dose should defer it for 3 months after the recovery from the disease. The recommendations also say that persons with any other serious general illness requiring hospitalization or ICU care should also wait for 4 to 8 weeks before getting the COVID-19 vaccine. The recommendations also clarified that a vaccinated person can donate blood after 14 days of getting vaccinated. Another major recommendation is that lactating mothers can be vaccinated and there is no need for conducting rapid antigen test before vaccination. The expert group is still deliberating and discussing if it is safe to vaccinate pregnant women. Though less sensitive, rapid antigen tests are being currently used to test for COVID-19 infection at home. Now, ICMR has released an advisory for using these tests at home. As per this advisory, rapid antigen tests to be only used by symptomatic individuals and the immediate contacts of the laboratory confirmed positive cases using the procedure described by the manufacturer of the kit. ICMR advises downloading a home testing mobile app from Google or Apple Play Store and clicking the photo of the strip after completing the test procedure. ICMR says this data will be stored in a secure server where patient confidentiality will be maintained. All the positive patients as per the test will be considered positive and have to follow home isolation and follow care as suggested by ICMR and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. If the test comes out negative, then it is suggested to go for the RT-PCR test as the antigen test misses on the few positive cases. While awaiting RT-PCR results, the symptomatic patients should follow home isolation guidelines and care. ICMR has recommended MyLab Discovery Solutions COVID Self COVID-19 OTC Antigen LF device kit for home testing. The country has got another effective weapon in its arsenal in the fight against COVID-19. A new multiplex RT-PCR kit has been developed by the Department of Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram-based Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. The speciality of this kit is that it can detect various mutant strains of the COVID-19 virus. Also, this special kit can easily detect SARS-CoV-2 mutations. The Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, has accredited this kit at the National Institute of Virology, Pune. During the investigation, it was found that this kit has 97.3% sensitivity and 100% specificity for detecting COVID-19. This RT-PCR kit targets the RDRP and ORFB NSP14 genes to detect the virus. Numerous studies have shown that both of these genes are more sensitive in detecting COVID-19, and using such genes to target multiple variants in the second wave of the corona can give more accurate results. ORFB NSP14 is one of the least mutated genes in COVID-19, and currently there are no kits available in the market to detect COVID-19 with the help of ORF NSP14 as target. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology has tied up with Hyderabad-based Huwell Life Sciences Private Limited to commercialize this kit. Well, that's all for now in this bulletin. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And don't forget to follow us on social media handles as well. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care and stay safe.